Here's the law of cosines. What we're going to focus on is the area of an oblique triangle using the Heron's formula and application problems that use the law of cosines. So here is the formula for Heron's formula. We use this when we have a side, side, side triangle. So go ahead and add that in. This is used for a side, side, side triangle. So the formula you're going to do step 1 is you're going to find the S value. So you're going to add up the perimeter, the A, B, and C, the distance around the triangle, and then multiply it by 1/2. And then this is going to be your step 2. You're going to substitute it into the formula, this area formula. So here's our example. Find the area of this triangle where I have lengths of 12 yards, 16 yards, and 24 yards. And we want to round our answer to the nearest square yard. So if we draw a picture of this, here's angle A, here's side A, angle B, side B, angle C, side C. So side A is 12 yards. C is 24 yards, and then this is 16 yards. So step 1 is we need to find half the perimeter. So 1/2 the perimeter. So we're going to add up those sides. The A, B, and C, and either divide it by 2 or multiply it by 1/2. And you're going to get it to be a length of 26. Now we're ready to find the area. So we're going to use step 2 here. Use this formula. So area equals the square root of S quantity S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So now we're ready to sub in. So 26 parentheses, 26 minus 12 parentheses, 26 minus 16 parentheses, run out of room here, so then 26 minus 24. Then you want to simplify those values. 26 times 14 times 10 times 2. Multiply those values together, and you're going to get the square root of 7,280. Substitute your calculator, and you're going to get the area to be about 85 yards squared.